Dear students, good morning to all of you. Here I am Manju Pramanik from KB CRPF Mokamagar. Today in this morning, I would like to discuss some new topic, and that is Mamidi Tandra. You can see here, summer treat Mamidi Tandra. We will know about it, what is Mamidi Tandra, how it can be made in our home, and in which state and which district is famous for it. All these things we will discuss about it through this story. So let's start. Chitta Babu and Chinna Babu live in Atriyapuram town in Andhra Pradesh. Such type of name I hope you know from South India, and Andhra Pradesh is the state of South India. From Andhra Pradesh, the town is Atriyapuram. They belongs Chitta Babu and Chinna Babu. The brothers spent the summer holidays playing in the mango garden. All of you know about summer holidays, summer vacation, and in summer vacation, two brothers Chitta Babu and Chinna Babu आत्रेपुरम में समर हॉलीडेज बिताते हैं मैंगो गार्डन के अंदर. When the trees are full of fruits, all of you I think know that in the season of summer, that is called as also mango season, because the first 3 quarters of summer you can take from mango garden many unripe mangoes. They also like to eat unripe mangoes with salt and chili powder. This is an important activity. This is very famous and very popular activity for childhood. All of you, I think, collect unripe mangoes from garden, and I think you like to eat unripe mangoes with salt and chili powder, just like चित्ता बाबू एंड चिन्ना बाबू. सो कच्चा आम को तोड़ना और नमक और चिली पाउडर के साथ बचपन में दोस्तों के साथ मज़े करते हुए उसको चखना, टेस्ट लेना, that is very happiness activity in our childhood. So just like that Chitta Babu and Chinna Babu did. At home, their mother cooks unripe mangoes in different ways. We don't like only to eat unripe mangoes, but also we like mangoes in different ways with spices and salt. We can cook unripe mangoes in different ways. So you can see in your home in summer season your mom cooked unripe mangoes in different ways. She also makes many kinds of mango pickles. ये आप देखे होंगे आपके घर में भी बहुत तरह के मैंगो पिकल्स बनाए जाते हैं. आंध्र प्रदेश और साउथ इंडिया में खास करके और भी हम जितने तरीक़े से मैंगो पिकल्स बनाते हैं उससे भी कई ज़्यादा तरीक़े से मैंगो पिकल्स बना सकते हैं. और ये चीज़ में खासियत है साउथ इंडिया में, स्पेशली आंध्र प्रदेश में, पिकल्स बहुत पिकुलियर और विशेष प्रकृति के पिकल्स वो लोग बनाते हैं, जो पिकल्स लास्ट थ्रू द ईयर until the next mango season. And it already about it we discussed that what type of food item that can be last until a year also. 2 and 3 days, some food items spoil in 2 and 3 days, some food items spoils in a week, and some in a month. But pickles is such type of food items that last until the next mango season. So mango pickles is very essential and very interesting and very attractive food items. Through this we can taste mangoes all around the year. So mango pickles is very important for us. One evening, while having food, Chinnababu asked, Amma, we have so many mangoes. Make some mamidi tandra, आम पापड़ from them. एक दिन शाम को क्या बोलते हैं चिन्ना बाबू? अम्मा. अम्मा, what is meaning of अम्मा? What do you mean by अम्मा? I think you know. अम्मा, that means mom. You can say ma, mummy, mom also. So in South India, especially in Andhra Pradesh, they call their mom as amma. So this term is very important to know. We have so many mangoes. चिन्ना बाबू क्या बोल रहे हैं कि हमारे पास बहुत मैंगोज हैं. मेक सम मामिडी तंद्रा, कुछ इसमें से मामिडी तंद्रा, दैट मीन्स आम पापड़. दिस टर्म इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट and this term should be remembered because in the view of examination, in the view of worksheet, this term is very important. So this term should be kept in your mind that mamidi tandra, what is this? The term mamidi tandra, you can say aam papad, and this aam papad is very famous in your state also, and you can see when you go to West Bengal through Malda and Murshidabad district, all the stations the hawker sells aam papad, and that is very famous in West Bengal, and Malda district is very famous for mangoes. So you can see all these things in various states, that is called as aam papad normally, but in South India, in Andhra Pradesh, that is called as mamidi tandra. So I think you will remember this. Their father said, making mamidi tandra needs 4 weeks of hard work. In the respective of the exam, this point also is important. How कितना समय मामिडी तंद्रा बनाने में लग सकता है? तो इसमें उनके फादर बोलें कि इसको बनाने में 4 हफ्ता समय लग जाता है. इफ़ यू बोथ प्रॉमिस टू हेल्प अस एवरी डे फॉर द नेक्स्ट 4 वीक्स वी कैन टुगेदर मेक द मामिडी तंद्रा. अगर दोनों भाई 4 हफ्ता तक हमें हेल्प करोगे तो हम सब मिल करके मामिडी तंद्रा बना सकते हैं. तो ये है मामिडी तंद्रा. इन दिस क्लास दिस इज़ एनफ फॉर यू. व्हाट इज़ मामिडी तंद्रा and where, in which state this is very famous, and in which time this can be made in our home, and in South India mom and our father is called as in which term. You can say here they call their mom amma and their father is called as appa. So these two terms and mamidi tandra, all these things about it, I think you understand, and in the further classes we will discuss what things have to get to make mamidi tandra in your home and how it can be possible to make mamidi tandra and what is the taste of mamidi tandra. All these things about it we will discuss in further classes. For this class this is enough for you. I think all these points I discussed and I mentioned you will keep in your mind for your exam and for your further education. So thank you.